How to make a simple water material in Unreal Engine 5. In this scene, we have this simple water effect, so I set it to a default value. And next, I create a new material, and I change the name, and I enter it. I select this one and change the shading model to single layer water. And now right click and type the water and select the single layer water material output. Hold down 3 key and left click and connect this node. And now I change the color. And here I hold down 1 key and left click and connect this node and change this value. We do it again. Hold down 1 key and left click. Do it again and connect this node, and we apply it. Next, we close it, and we make sure we have add the starter content, because I have added the starter content to our project. So I close it. I enter the water material again, and now I right click and enter texture and select the texture sample. I select it, and here I enter water, and I select one of them. I select the water's texture normal, and I copy it. And right click and panel. We connect this node to UV. We copy it. Connect this node. We change the speed value to 0.1. And next, I right click and type blend angle and select blend angle correct normal. We connect this node into the normal node, and here we have the simple waters effect. We save and close it. We drag this material to the plane. We have a simple waters effect now. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.